Welcome to the next generation of clinical efficiency. Introducing the Flight Clave28 a premium 11-inch Class S steam sterilizer engineered to meet the rigid demands of modern healthcare practices. Designed with a massive 28-liter chamber, it features a flexible rack system that effortlessly holds standard instrument pouches or rotates 90 degrees to securely accommodate clinical cassettes. Protecting your staff is our absolute priority. Every unit is built with an advanced dual locking safety door and an integrated overpressure safety valve for maximum multi-layer protection. Efficiency is built into every program, driven by state-of-the-art steam pulse injection technology for rapid, uniform heat distribution and complete air displacement. The Clave28 comes equipped with dedicated, pre-programmed cycles for unwrapped items, wrapped loads, liquid or plastics, textiles, and prions, making it ready for use in any clinical application. A standard wrapped cycle takes just 45 to 55 minutes from start to finish. It features advanced closed-door drying paired with our signature Dry Assist technology, ensuring that your instruments emerge thoroughly dried and completely sterile without ever exposing them to ambient room air during the drying phase. Compliance tracking is completely effortless. All units come standard with a built-in thermal printer for instant physical logs and a digital USB data logger backed by a massive 10,000 cycle internal memory bank to safeguard your practice's long-term history. Keeping records pristine has never been easier. To maximize convenience, it features an integrated distilled water tank on top for easy filling, a wastewater tank, a rear direct-to-drain plumbing option, and a built-in maintenance timer that alerts you when it is time for preventative service. Let the Flight Clave28 optimize your workspace.